Are your transparent LED display screens and grid LED displays waterproof, moisture-proof? Can they withstand impacts? Look here, we can solve your worries. We can encapsulate your LED display, whether it's a rigid or flexible LED display, no problem. We use GOB module packaging to protect your LED displays. Whether it's a 1 meter, 1.5 meter, or 2 meter LED display, we can meet your company's needs. Don't get me wrong, we don't sell LED displays. We manufacture the machines and provide technical solutions to help your company manufacture these products. Do take a look, these are the LED display samples we've produced for our clients. Should your company be interested in learning more about our solutions, please remember to contact us at www.jhims.com.